Ooh. What's up, guys? It's TET Holiday. TET Holiday. For those of you who don't know, TET Holiday is basically like the Lunar New Year, like kind of like the Chinese Lunar New Year. So it's now the year of the dog. So in effect, that basically means that all of Vietnam shuts down for about 2 weeks, roughly, just under 2 weeks. So everything is closed: shops, supermarkets, restaurants.
So today we are going to do one of the things that people do during TET, which is going to Pagoda. So some of our students offered to take us to District 1. So we're going to get ready and go there now.
Alright.
Hello guys, I'm On and this is Ngọc. So today we are here at the Jade Emperor Pagoda. This is one of the most famous pagodas in District 1. So now we will have a look.
The name of the restaurant?
Cơm tấm mọc.
Tấm.
Cơm tấm means broken rice. Mọc is the name of it.
Mọc.
Mọc.
Cơm tấm mọc.
This must be so funny for you guys, right?
I'm sorry, I can't have it. It says trời đất, quỷ thần thiên địa ơi.
Trời đất, quỷ thần, thiên địa ơi,
trời đất quỷ thần thiên địa ơi,
trời thất cộng đông quỷ thiên địa. Trời đất quyến kiện. Trời ơi,
trời đất quỷ thần thiên địa,
Trời đất.
it's really fast. Trời đất quỷ thần thiên địa,
Trời đất.
oh really cool. It's really cool. It's quỷ thần.
I can do it.
Do it first.
Trời đất quyến thiên địa ơi. Alright.
No.
Okay. Em ơi, tán tình. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah, I speak Vietnamese.
Hi.
Hey, Lauren. Come back.
It's not filming or
What?
what you doing like filming?
It's a video.
Okay.
Okay, so what are we drinking?
So this is milk tea.
The
and
best?
this is Durian coffee. Không thích thử thì biết lắm mà.
You like it?
Yeah.
She doesn't like it.
Are you sure?
I like it. It's like a nice fruity taste, like chocolatey coffee.
Okay. So that means we can go outside and eat the real durian now?
Why is it?
Yeah?
Maybe.
Let me try it. No. I quite like it.
You like it?
It's a bit weird at first, but then it tastes like chocolate.
Chocolate, yeah.
Like chocolate, right?
Yeah, you
Okay, I want this
so
one.
now we know that we like maroon.
You can have the normal one. Mine. Yeah. Okay, so we are back at our apartment now.
We had an absolutely amazing time, and big thanks to Awan and Nook for taking us out.
We had a great time, so really thank you guys so much for showing us around. We hope we can do it again sometime.
So all over Vietnam during TET there will be these displays of flowers and different little things and decorations that you can go and check out. There is one in District 1 that is pretty big, but there is also one right next to our house about 5 minutes away. So we're gonna go and check that out now.
Okay, let's go.
So right now we are near the Crescent Mall, and as you can see behind us there's an entire setup for TET, so lots of different displays with flowers.
Okay, so we're gonna check it out, alright. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up our video for today. We absolutely love TET. The atmosphere here in Vietnam is just one that's like really, it's even more friendlier than usual, and it's like a nice kind of party atmosphere. So until the next video, we will see you again, okay?
Do widzenia.
Do widzenia!